I'd like to welcome you to the future of lighting, known as the Crossover Generation 3 LED lighting fixture. The Crossover Generation 3 offers a host of benefits for your customers like long life, energy savings, but for you it offers simple, quick, and easy installation which allows you to be more competitive with your bids. The following installation video was put together to demonstrate how simple the Crossover 3 is to install. Please keep in mind we are now installing electronics, not the old-fashioned HID stuff. This means we need to be careful, follow the instructions, making sure to omit water entry from the fixtures, and never work on a fixture hot to eliminate the possibility of shorting out a fixture. If you have any questions, call the Field Service Department at 1-800-436-7800, extension 3300, and somebody will be glad to help you.